Hello and greetings to every one of you. Today I'm going to make some video which I have not done before, and it's because it's summertime now, and it's actually very hot out here, and uh, the only issue I'm facing is my garden is running out of water very soon, and I cannot give more water to it. And since I'm not available, the soil gets dried up as well as the plants. So here I'm going to show a simple way that how we can save our plants without actually much human intervention. So let's get started and let's do it. So I am here in my garden. As you can see, there are many plants out here. Some are in shade or partial shade. Some are actually in directly in sunlight. I have chosen them according to their requirements. But then, as you can see, that it is very sunny out here. So what we can do is either we have to give water in small amounts every now and then, or else the only option is give more water, in which case the water drains out like it is draining out from here. So the best way is to give water in small amounts but on frequent time basis. So here is another method. Like, the things you'll require is this beer cans and this thumb drive, thumb pin, my bad, and we'll make something for the garden. This is a beer can, as you can see. Okay, we'll take this thumb pin and just poke a hole inside of it. Okay, now let me demonstrate it by putting some water. As you can see a hole here, let's see how the water percolates. I'm filling the can with water now, and you might see some drops coming. So this is what we are trying to do, but will have to restrict the amount of drops. So another way which I know is apply a small tape over here, okay, on the hole, and then make the hole smaller. Or second way is to put some tape over the hole, so that the amount of air that is sucked during dropping this water is limited, so the amount of drops get reduced. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I didn't have any insulation tape, so I got this brown tape. I'll be just cutting and putting it on the hole. Just like this. So you can see the hole here. I'm so sorry. The hole here is covered up, and we'll make the hole again by just putting the pin. So now you can see, probably you won't even notice that the hole is smaller than what it was before. I think the insulation tape will be a better option, but I don't have one, so I'll just continue with this one, and let's see if we can limit the number of drops. Okay. Okay, so there's hardly any drop coming out. I don't know why this is happening. I think that's because of the surface tension at the hole. Yeah, so there is hardly anything coming. Let me make the hole again, which will be another choice. Sorry. Yeah. So sorry. So as you can see, the hole, the water from the hole is dripping pretty slowly. Let me focus it. Yeah, now it's better. So that's what I did, and then just make a small hole, small pit like this, inside the pot, and place your can so it looks pretty much like this. That's it what we are going to do, and now I'll be repeating for all those spots. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next video.